Oh! Jackass.
어디서 나보는 거냐고 솔직히 너 그래 너 생핀터 만난 너왜 널 쳐다보는 거냐고 궁금했어 설렜어 낯설어서 침착하게 서로서
elected president and starts wiping them out. Just erasing them here and there, doing everything he can to get rid of them. It is phenomenal what has happened here. And the American people are not capable of understanding the achievement because the media has spent so many of the last decades demonizing the people that did it. Big pharma. I'm here to tell you that this is a quintessential, phenomenally American success. And that's not said to disparage Europe, or the Chi-Coms, the North Koreans, or anybody else that can't do it. Cuba. But damn it, credit where credit is due is okay. Here's the thing, this is another thing, this is scary. Nobody but Trump could have done this. There isn't anybody in Washington who believes in doing this. Look at Trump has fought all the way on deregulating this, that, and the other thing. They want their big government. They want big, intricate government that's impossible to unravel. Nobody but Trump could have done this. No one but Trump thinks this big. What do you mean a backseat in less than a year? It's impossible. We've been governed by the people who think that what we need is impossible. And they tell us it's impossible. And they can't do it.